Hi there, my name is James Catford and I serve as chair of SPCK, and until last year I served as chair of Renovation in the United States. A question for you: how many books have you read, Christian books, that have outlived their author? Not a lot, I expect. Maybe C.S. Lewis, perhaps? How many others? Well, this book will and has outlived the author. Such an important, profound, and I would say forensic study of the human person. The mind, a controversial subject with a lot of interesting angles on the way the brain operates. The body, which of course the author says is our primary ally in Christ-likeness, not what you normally expect with people who say the body is our enemy. This book says the body is our primary ally in Christ-likeness. And then the soul, another area of controversy. This book has really impacted me on the whole of my life. It's also the source book of so many other books that you can see out there today. So if you want to save yourself all those other books, this book will get to the source on its own. It's been a great book for me in my career in the public square, and my interest in politics and government and education and the arts. This book really stands up to the test. I couldn't commend it more highly.